Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Talkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It is Monday, May the 15th. It's about 6:15 Central Standard Time. I hope everybody enjoyed the time off this weekend, and we took a couple extra days last week and shut the room down and just took a couple extra days to celebrate our success. So here we're back on Monday, and here we are. Looks like we had to open at 2388.75. If we come back over here, you see just a wick down for the overnight low, right on a market profile at 2387, 2388 area right in here. And then again, it opened at 88.75, so just a little bit there, and it's worked its way right up after the open, all the way to a high of 94.50. We since pulled back to the 24-hour VWAP, back down to the open price, and now working our way right back up to 91.25, just below the VWAP. Now, if this VWAP holds, and push this market back down, we'll probably push right into their 87.75 area, push all the way down in here for double bottoms, what they'll call it, and it might push its way back up. The market really wants the 10 to go up right now, so we're just awaiting news, part of the geopolitical system. Just be careful. But that's the most likely first move if this fails down to the this 88, 87, 73, 75 area, and then with a double bottom and push its way back up. Now, if it comes down here pushes back up to the open, doesn't really go anywhere, and drives itself down. Look for the first move after that for 85.25, and then possibly go ahead and just squeak all the way down here to the 84.25. It'll push itself back up to the top of the zone. If that happens at 85.25, and then drive itself all the way down, probably the 81, top of the zone, where it should hold for the day. Now, if there's a lot of bad news, of course, it's going to push its way back up and possibly retest this open, or not the open, but this low right here from Friday at 84.25, and then drive back down and consolidate in this area. Okay, but if it breaks down into this zone, look for it to possibly come all the way down to 88 to the top of this zone. There's not much room in here. So the problem is you just don't know if it's going to stop within a couple points of here and reverse or come all the way down. So be careful in this area in here. My thought would be to wait for a good reversal down in the 75 area, right here, 75.50 area, for it to move right back up into this normal area. Where is that right now? At about the 90 area. So let's take a look to the upside. If this breaks on through, come up here to double top, triple top, I guess, right back down, test it again, probably retest this 24-hour VWAP again at 91.75, and then push right back in. But once it breaks this 95 area, 96, it might retest it right in here, but it might try to break on up with momentum this morning at 97.75. But at some point, it's going to come back and retest this high right here at 94.50 and then push its way back up if that's what the market wants. And of course, up to 90. Sorry, the cat's meowing here. 93, excuse me, 98.50, and then on up to 24.03, and then some consolidation as we try to fight through this area again. Now let's take a look at market profile for just a second. All right, here we are at market profile. On a 235 minute, about 4 hours. You can see we went up there. We touched that 100% retracement at the 2401 sixth area right in here, 2403, and then pulled right back down to the 81, and now working its way back up. So it's really trying to hold this 88 area. Okay, if it can hold this 88 area on the pullback, and then it'll drive itself right back up into here. But these are the key numbers to watch: this 88 and the 94 for it to break up. If it can break it holding up, look for the 97. So if you're day traders, some real easy numbers to watch this morning at 88, 94, 97, and then 2400. Real easy targets if it moves to the upside for targets this morning. All right. If it does break up into this area, look for first movement all the way up to the 2423. Who knows what's going to be the catalyst to drive us up there, but at some point it will happen. We may come all the way back before we know, before we actually go up. It's just a crazy market. Trade what you see, and good luck. If you have any questions, contact Frank at TraceTalkers.com, and have a great day.